Yeah, I know, I got him.
Seven? How much is he selling it for? 6?
Huh? He's selling 6, right?
What's all those right there? This is cars over there.
Lotus.
Bean over there.
No,
That's
this
the
is
same one from the last time. Look.
no, I'm gonna go over here.
Well, it's lower. They look the same one. Look.
The Z8.
Yeah, I mean, it's like my situation to a certain extent, but it's like, come on, like, you put yourself in a situation, like, you're in that situation.
You take your stairs to the left of you, or to the left of this building. That leads you up to the Black Hawk Auto Museum. And there are even more beautiful cars to look at up there. More exotic luxury automobiles. Sponsors up there, Michael Stead Porsche, Ferrari Maserati in San Francisco, and San Francisco sports cars up at the Black Hawk Museum. We would like to thank some other sponsors today, Scott's Catering, the Belitnikov Foundation, Luxury Foreplay, Las Positas Winery, Haggerty Insurance, Los Gatos Luxury Cars, and of course Black Hawk Plaza, and My Backyard by Tessa Hare Nursery, which is right behind me. My Backyard is open if you want to go there and look for things for your garden and your lawn. Thank you for coming out today to Autos on the Plaza with Mogul Air Concourse the Elegance.
Dyno at like 620 awards. It red light too. The red light is 3,000 hours and 80,000 hours in the first year.